is indeed your girl Tiamac Pherson, and welcome to another video. Welcome to our first video from Makeup Mondays. Yay! I'm so excited, y'all. So today we'll be using Sheglam products from Shein to achieve this beautiful look. If you want to see how I achieve this look, then by all means stay tuned, because we got more all December long. Y'all, I'm so excited. Let's jump into it. So to start off with, we're going to be using the Sheglam Birthday Skin Primer in the shade Smoothing Rose. They took their time out to do this packaging really well. Like, I have to give them props for that. And for the price, that is something that you really cannot beat. But it's both quality and packaging at the same time, and that's amazing. I love this primer. I got some wispy ass lashes, y'all. We need that to complete the look. Okay, so we're gonna be using the Sweet Cheeks Blush Trio from Sheglam as well, and this amazing lash glue. It somehow reminds me of my okay, let's not go there. We'll be using the foundation Skinfinite Hydrating Foundation, also by Sheglam. I got it in the shade Mocha, because if it's too dark, we can always tone it down. Okay, all right. And I got a pump. I love a foundation with a pump. They have their amazing pencil and pen. Yeah, I did not like this. Y'all will see why going down in this video. But I mean, maybe it's because I can't really use it. It's gonna be my first time. All right, so let me not judge it based on me not being able to use it properly. Also, I got a eye primer as well, because sis need to prime them leads. Let's go. Okay, so let's prime our face. I'm using the Dermasil aloe vera infused moisturizer to moisturize our face, because we need that face to be soft and smooth for the base to put our foundation on. We ain't gonna put it on no ashy ass skin, right? Okay, so of course I gotta shape them eyebrows up, because they be looking trashy and tacky and all that. It's not happy. All right, so I see where everybody's using glue to put their brows in place, so I did use the duo glue to put my brows in place, and y'all, listen, that shit stayed on, so y'all should really try that hack. Okay, and I'm using the pencil. When I started using the pencil, I'm like, why is it looking gray? Did I not order dark brown pencil? What is this? I'm like looking like, what the hell? Yeah, exactly, because I'm like, this shade is not doing it for me. I felt really annoyed, but I continued anyway, and I'm like, you know what, let's switch to the other section of the pen. So I started filling my brows out with the other section of the pen, and that's when I saw everything coming together.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're gentle and wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
Concealer out. We don't want to be looking different shades of white. So I'm just going ahead, taking my time to properly blend it out. Y'all, blending is key. If you don't blend, you're gonna look like something else, okay, that you don't want to look like. So make sure you blend and blend properly. Okay guys, so now I'm using the e.l.f. concealer in the shade Rich Cocoa to contour my face. Okay, so I immediately started blending because the e.l.f. products tend to dry super fast and you gotta be careful when using this. So that's all I'm doing. I'm just blending and making sure everything is seamless and comes together. So at this moment, I'm using the Sacha Buttercup to set the highlighted portion of my face, under my eyes, and the bridge of my nose, under my chin, under my nose, and on my forehead. The remainder of my face, I'll be using the Mary Kay translucent setting powder. We did not need to use a black opal at this point because our face was already dark. And now I'll be using the elf tape just so we don't have any fallouts with our eyeshadow. The Rebel Honey Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette to do our transition colors for this soft cut crease eyeshadow look. So you need a bright transition color just so when you cut the crease you have some reflection, if that makes sense. So you need a really bright transition color. Okay guys, so to do the soft cut crease we are using the Sheglam Ready Set Primer. I was not at the least impressed by the pigment of this primer, but it did its job. It did it very well. What I love about the e.l.f. products is the fact that the Sheglam primer is that it sets very fast, so there is no issue with that. So what I basically did was I went back into the Rebel Honey from Juvia's Place palette and I took the darker shade and went onto my lid to kind of smooth everything in because we don't want to be looking cray, you understand? And the wing liner and everything will put everything in place. Just trust the process, y'all. So trust the process, y'all. Why can't I say the process? Trust the process, guys. The fuck? Right now I'm using a white shimmery color from my Road Gal palette, Blackjack Road Gal palette, to achieve my smoky cut crease or my soft cut crease. That is what I'm using to achieve this. I really wanted a matte white shadow, but I did not have one at the moment, so this does it really, because it's really creamy, shimmery and beautiful, and I really love the results with this eyeshadow. So we start our liner. You know, this is one of the hardest things for me along with doing my lashes, but you know, it's a process and it takes time. You just gotta be careful with how you do it because you can, you know, mess up pretty easily if you're not careful. So yeah, in the other section I sped up the actual process of me applying this, and even though it's sped up it looks really slow, so you can only imagine how careful I was trying to be when doing my wing. It's lashes time. So we're gonna apply our glue to our lash line as close as we can get. I was very skeptical about this, y'all, because it was so watery. I was like, what the hell is this? Like, will this even work? Because this shit look like, okay, I will not say, y'all, this is not porn, so I'm not gonna say what it looks like, but yeah, it looked really, yeah, like that. Oh my gosh. But it did the job, y'all, and that's the most important part of it. And I was really amazed that it actually worked. Like I say, guys, for the price, y'all can't beat it. So y'all gotta get these products for yourselves and use it, and then y'all see what exactly I be about, man. And of course, you gotta put on some mascara in case you had any fallouts from your eyeshadow. You know, you don't want your lashes looking white and your actual fake lashes looking black. That shit's gonna look crazy. So I started applying my lashes, and the first one that I started applying started messing around, so I left it alone and went on to my second lash. But then I decided to fix it after a while, so yeah. So finally, both lashes on, and I was wondering, do I like these? Do I not like these? I mean, I love wispy lashes, but I was in denial. Like, do I like them? Do I not like them? But they were really cute. Overall, y'all, they were extremely cute. I was just, I don't know. I was just annoyed. So I was turning sideways so you guys could see the lashes, and they're super cute. I really love the look. And now, of course, I'm removing any powder that I had on my face. Yes, I did bake this time. I baked for a really long time. But yeah, we're just removing all the excess setting powder from under our eyes. Okay. Alright, so I'm using the Sweet Cheeks 3.0 Duo blush. Let me say, these are not as pigmented as I thought they would have been, to be honest, because I used that beautiful deep orange and then I ended up using a different shade. But y'all, I was not impressed, but it was okay. For the price, it's okay. And I'm using the Juvia's Place the Royalty one by Juvia's loose highlights all to highlight my nose and the rest of the areas. I love this because it's super pigmented, y'all. I love me a super pigmented highlights all. And now for my lips, I'll be using this Ride or Die lip balm Cheeky Cherry from Elf. So it's not a matte, it's just like a gloss, so it's not doing the most, and that's what I wanted for my lips. I did not even line my lips, y'all. And that's basically it, guys. That's how I achieved this beautiful, gorgeous look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember, this is just part 1 of Makeup Mondays. There's more to come. 3 more looks, y'all, in the month of December, Mondays only. Yes, I love this look, y'all. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section down below. This is the dear girl Tiamac Pherson signing out. Bye.